A very warm good morning to all of you. Myself Dinesh Kumar from RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus Karnal Hotel Management Department. Today I am going to discuss about the wing corkscrew and the wine bottle opener or cutter. Basically, we discussed this is the wing corkscrew. In traditionally, basically, this is used in old time, but nowadays some modern wine bottle openers are used. Some electrical bottle openers are used, but still nowadays this is are also used. The wing corkscrew. Basically, how is it work? When we take a bottle, we remove it, and this cork is inside the wooden cork. Then we pull it the both of the side like this, so the bottle cork was coming upper side, and with this help of wing corkscrew we open the different types of wine bottles like red wine, white wine, any types of wine. And if we talk about, this is the opener and cutters. Basically, from this place we opens the cans like beer cans. We open it here, and we cut open it the bottles also like beer bottle. We cut it the upper part from this cutter, and then we open the bottles with all these openers. So these are basically some informations which are shared by me. So thank you to all of you. Please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel.